How to register Bolt driver's account. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can register for a driver on the Bolt driver account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bolt Driver is a mobile application designed for drivers working with the ride-hailing services Bolt. It helps drivers manage their rides and earning efficiently. So the first thing you need to do is download the application. It's available on both iOS and Android devices. So go ahead and open up the app once you download it. And once you open it up, you will have two options. If you already have an account, you can directly log in right here. And if you don't have one, you can just tap on sign up to sign up for a new account. Now, to become a driver, you will first have to provide your email address here. I'm just going to enter my email address. Then you'll just have to provide your phone number and the city where you will be driving. Once you select all of that, you can just select their privacy policy and then tap on register as a driver. Then you will have to provide your driving license and all of the necessary documents that is shown on the screen. And then what you need to do is you'll get a verification code on your mobile number right here. Just enter that and then you will be good to go. Now you can start driving and you will be a registered driver on the app. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.